You may be surprised as to the areas of the roof which you can use for solar PV. We can put equipment almost anywhere and do it safely, conscientiously, and so it looks good and performs well. If you have a flat roof space available, maybe over a rear extension, if you have pitched roof areas available, obviously they're installable on. And we're also putting a lot of systems on the ground nowadays as well. So if you've got space, if you're fortunate enough to have a large back garden or maybe even a field next door, then come to us, chat with us about it, because we can put a very nice system somewhere away from the home as well. There's very few roofs that we can't install on. So I would say, give us a call, let us have a look online, or you can send us some photos, and we'll be able to give you a very quick answer as to what we can do for you.
JPS Energy, there for the journey.